Assam, the fastest growing state of eastern India, which is at the heart of India's Act East economic policy. Spread over more than 78,000 square kilometers, the state is fast emerging as India's expressway to ASEAN, opening its doors and forging new economic ties with East and Southeast Asia.
हमारा नॉर्थ ईस्ट ये अष्टलक्ष्मी का प्रदेश, जो कल तक नॉर्थ ईस्ट कहा जाता था, वो नॉर्थ ईस्ट का मतलब ही न्यू इंडिया में बदल जाएगा.
Assam has a rich legacy of industrialization which dates back to the 19th century. Assam's rich reserves of natural resources make it the largest producer of onshore natural gas and the third largest producer of onshore petroleum in the country. Digboy has the oldest refinery in Asia, started in the year 1901. The state is also rich in limestone and fertilizers. It also provides tremendous opportunities for downstream petrochemical and plastic industries. Assam has already attracted large-scale investments from petroleum majors like ONGC, Oil India, Indian Oil Corporation, and GAIL. The Brahmaputra and Barak river systems provide the state with a rich source of surface and groundwater, which can be harnessed for a host of water-intensive industries. The rivers also deposit huge amounts of high-quality sand, which can be used by the construction industry and others. With 2 national parks recognized as UNESCO World Heritage Sites, Assam is one of the 36 global biodiversity hotspots. Assam is also a veritable paradise for tourists. The unique natural heritage, including the largest river island, Majuli, the tapestry of culture and hospitable people, makes tourism one of the most important industries in the state. With the first commercial tea production starting as early as 1835, the state is the largest tea-producing region in the world today. Assam is also known for its rice, spices, citrus fruits and vegetables, and bamboo. There is immense opportunity for food processing industries to market these products across the globe and also cater to the growing demand for poultry, fish and dairy products in the northeast. It also holds a global monopoly in the production of muga, the golden silk. With 15 national waterways, Assam boasts of nearly 10% of India's navigable waterways. Brahmaputra and Barak rivers, spanning the length and breadth of the state, connect Assam to seaports like Chittagong in Bangladesh. With an economy growing at a remarkable pace, Assam is all set to be the next hub of global investment. The state's immense potential, coupled with proactive and supportive government policies, have attracted more than $1 billion worth of investments from market leaders across sectors in just over a year. Great opportunities exist in sectors like biotechnology, information technology, pharmaceuticals and medical equipment, agriculture and food processing, plastics and petrochemicals, energy, tourism, river transport and port township. A rapidly growing urban and industrial infrastructure, strong connectivity network and a supportive government. All these have helped Assam in creating a strong business ecosystem. Assam's geographic location and a strong connectivity network makes it the ideal staging point for doing business with the Asian and BBIN countries.
अलग-अलग सेक्टर कैसे बिजनेस को आगे बढ़ाना है, इस सिलसिले में आप लोग अपना सोच डालिए. बाकी व्यवस्था केंद्रीय सरकार और राज्य सरकार की तरफ से कनेक्टिविटी के सिलसिले में, चाहे वाटर हो, चाहे एयर हो, चाहे इंटरनेट हो, चाहे रेलवे हो, चाहे रोड हो, इस विषय पर कदम उठाना हमारा, इस विषय पर कदम उठा रहा हमारी तरफ से जो भी सहयोग चाहिए तो ये मैं तैयार हूं.
Ease of doing business, an effective single window clearance mechanism, a highly skilled workforce, and a stable and visionary leadership at the helm adds to the huge investment opportunities present in the state. With a large number of educational institutes in the state, including an IIT, IIIT, NIT, agriculture universities, and a host of engineering and management colleges, the state ensures a steady supply of skilled human capital for industry. Further, Assam aims at skilling more than 1 million youth in the next 5 years. A vibrant nightlife, presence of global retail brands, world-class healthcare facilities, and a large number of English medium schools ensure a good quality lifestyle for its residents. Come, join us and be a part of this incredible journey.